Match Attax 23-24 pack opening. There we go, if I can open it. There we go. Okay, cold cards. We have Giovanni Reina for Dortmund. We have Nahuel Molina for Atletico. Nuno Mendes for PSG. Frank Kessie for Barcelona. Leandro Trossard for Arsenal. There we go. Joe Willock for Newcastle. We have Martin Zubimendi for Real Sociedad. Hanik Mkhitaryan for Inter Milan. Then we have the Celtic team crest. Slightly hollow. We have Alisson Becker Guardian for Liverpool. Nice. Man of the match signature style Guido Rodriguez for Real Betis. And Amad Dedic Topps Heritage. Right. Thanks for watching. I also have some longer videos now. I've opened up quite a few tins on the channel if you're interested. Yeah, click through. I'll see you there.